Welcome to the installation guide for the MOTOISM fork clamp indicators on various Honda CB models. Before we begin, make sure the motorcycle is stable and on a level surface. Lay out all supplied parts and confirm your tools are ready before starting the installation. Start by using the 5mm Allen key and 10mm wrench to remove the original indicator clamps. First, break the bolt loose with the 10mm wrench to prevent stripping the Allen key socket. Once loose, use the Allen key to remove the bolt completely. Set the hardware aside and repeat the same process on the other side of the bike. Remove the original indicator clamps and pop off the plastic end cap to access the connector. Disconnect the connector and set the original indicator, including the rubber mount, aside. Repeat this on the other side of the bike. To mount the fork clamps higher on the fork for a cleaner look, the brackets from the original fork clamps need to be moved out of the way. Loosen them with the 8mm Allen key, push them away from the fork, and tighten them back up. Repeat on the other side. Now grab your MOTOISM fork clamp and loosen the 2.5mm Allen bolts. Make sure to route the cable correctly through the inside of the fork clamp before attempting to mount it. Bring it to the bike and slide it over the fork. The front section will loosely stay in place once pushed on. Rotate the fork clamp inward so you can easily insert both bolts. Thread in the outer bolt first to hold the two pieces together. Then screw in the inner bolt and tighten it further while leaving the outer bolt slightly loose. This gives you some play to move and position the clamp correctly. Apply these same steps to both sides of the bike and install both fork clamps. Before locking everything down, move to the front of the bike to get a better overview. Use reference points and measure if needed to confirm the fork clamps are in the correct position. Once you are happy with the position, tighten both bolts completely. Apply light force and be careful not to over-tighten. Now grab the silicone insulators and slide them over the plugs on the fork clamp. Do this on both sides. Next, unpack your MOTOISM adapter cables and plug them into the original connectors. These cables are not side-specific, so there is no need to distinguish left from right. Route the cables neatly along the inside of the fork legs. Connect yellow to yellow and black to black. Before tidying up the cables, test the indicators to confirm they turn on and function correctly. If everything works, bundle the cables and secure them carefully out of the way using small cable ties. And that's it. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your new MOTOISM fork clamp indicators.